Amanda Bynes tweets intimate clips. Actress Amanda Bynes has no regrets when it comes to posting intimate photos of herself on Twitter and says she does it to let people know more about her. The 25-year-old often shares revealing images and emotional statuses with her 5,000 followers and admits to being happy with the relationship she has with her digital fans. "I believe in no regrets. You say what you feel because you felt it at the moment. You kind of have to let people know a little bit about you. As once you've been in the business for a long time, people kind of know stuff about your life," she said. The She's the Man star had announced last year her plans to take a break from acting. "I really just needed some time off. I've been acting since I was 7, and I'm 25 now. So, it's not retiring so much. It's just taking some time off," she wrote on the social networking website.